Hello everyone, how are you today?
Fine.
I have an experiment today. We're gonna try this one and then I'm gonna explain to you. You see, it's one piece of newspaper. Okay, and I'm gonna cut from here. What will happen if I cut from here?
I don't know. Nothing. Separate.
It's gonna separate, yes?
Right? Yeah, it's gonna separate.
Let's
It's
see.
gonna be two pieces.
Two pieces. Eh? Well, how is that possible?
Oh!
How is that
I
possible?
know. Because you just...
Again, one more time. Yes. Anna Maria, you cut. Can you?
I think.
Yalla, cut. Is it magic? How is that possible? Okay, let's try with this one. Okay, now
Can I do it?
I did. Yalla, you gotta try now.
This one.
Okay, with this one. Okay, I put solvent cement and baby powder, so there are intermolecular forces in the molecule level. Okay, the particles of newspaper, they are bonded like this together. That's why it is not being cut. Yalla. Yeah.
What?
Oh, you see? Wow! How cool is that? One more time. Will it work?
Yes. Yeah. It's like infinite paper. Right? Oh wait, no.
Yeah? Does it work?
Yes.
Why is that happening? Because the intermolecular forces are binding each other. You see?
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I?
Is it cool?
Yeah!
How cool is that? Yalla, say bye.